So hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how to install JDK and Sublime Text in your PCs. So first we should check whether JDK is installed in your computer or not. For that we have to go to search bar in your Windows and type CMD. In CMD we should type Java and press enter. As you can see, I get this output. This means that JDK is ready to use in my computer. If you don't get this output, then you have to install it. Now for installing JDK, go to Google Chrome and type java.sun. Go to the Oracle website. Now go in Java SE option. You can see here JDK download option is given. Now go to JDK download option and at the bottom you will be able to see this Windows 64 installer. Download this option. I am not going to install because I have already installed it. After installing, you will see this Java file in your download files of your computer. Press enter on it. After some time you will be able to see this permission from Java to install. It will not install in my computer because I have already installed it. After installing Java, open command prompt again. Now press enter Java C. After installing Java, if you get this output, this means that JDK is installed in your computer. If you don't get this output, you will have to repeat the task again. Now I'm going to tell you how to install Sublime Text. You simply have to enter sublimetext.com. As you can see, direct download button has directly came. After that, you can select option for Linux, Mac and Windows. I will install for Windows because my operating system is of Windows. I will not install as I have already installed. Now, in the download files of your Windows, you will be able to see a Sublime installer. Click on it. And it will ask you permission for installing, but I will not install as I have already installed it. Now open Sublime Text after installing it. You will have to create a code for running Java programs in Sublime Text, as Sublime Text is not ready-made made to use for Java. So I will give this code in my description of the video. You can go and copy from there. After copying the code from there, you will have to add a path of Java bin from your computer. So for copying the path, you will have to go to Windows C drive and in program files you will find a Java file already created after downloading JDK. Now open it and go in bin and copy this path ctrl+c and paste it here. You can see some errors, so we simply have to add extra /. Now save this program. You can save with any name. I will save at Java 1 dot sublime hyphen build. You will have to add this extension after naming your program, otherwise it will not work. Now press save. Now this has created Sublime Text for using of Java. Now I will create a simple program for experimenting it. I will name this program as hello.java. I will assign the class name as hello. Now I will add the main method of the Java, public static void main. I will simply print hello world. Now press enter Ctrl plus B. It is not running because I haven't choose any build system. So for choosing the build system, you have to go in tools. In build system, you have to choose Java 1, which I have recently created. Now press Ctrl plus B. As you can see, hello world has been printed as an output. As you can see, I have successfully installed JDK and Sublime Text, which is ready for use in my further Java programs. If you like my video, press the like button, and for more interesting videos of Java, you can subscribe my channel. I will continue this series of Java tutorial further. Thank you everyone.